I fold my clothes after washing. I fold my clothes after washing.
I make coffee every morning. I make coffee every morning.
I clean the table before dinner. I clean the table before dinner.
I wash my hands with soap. I wash my hands with soap.
I need milk and bread today. I need milk and bread today.
Can I have a hot coffee?
Can I
Have a
hot coffee?
I wake up at 7 every day. I wake up at 7 every day.
I feel tired after my workout.
The bus is late again. The bus is late again.
I put the juice in the fridge. I put the juice in the fridge.
I wash my clothes every weekend. I wash my clothes every weekend.
I check my emails every morning. I check my emails every morning.
These apples look fresh today. These apples look fresh today.
I open the window for fresh air. I open the window for fresh air.
I like this coffee shop very much. I like this coffee shop very much.
Is this the right bus? Is this the right bus?
I cook dinner for my family. I cook dinner for my family.
Where is the remote control? Where is the remote.control?
These shoes feel comfortable. These shoes feel comfortable.
I comb my hair before work. I comb my hair before work.
I drink juice with my breakfast. I drink juice with my breakfast.
I make my bed every day. I make my bed every day.
I need medicine for my headache. I need medicine for my headache.
What do you recommend today?
What do
You
you
recommend today.
Can I pay by card?
can?
Can I pay by card?
Thank you for helping me. I water my plants every evening. I water my plants every evening.
This bread smells so good.
This
Bread smells so
good.